Okay. Hello everyone. Wait, I forgot. Sorry. Okay. So welcome to another coding video. Sorry, it's been quite a while. But I was sick, and then I forgot, and anyways, I'm going to make a video now, and I'm not being very consistent with making these videos, unfortunately. Okay, but onto the tutorial. So let me just real quick to show what we made so far. Oh, forgot about the music. Just turn it down. Okay, so now don't play. It just turns off the game because you chose not to play. So I clicked on don't play, and then the red stopped, and then the entire game just stopped with the music and everything, so I chose not to play. But if I go over here, if I click on the arrow, excuse me. Okay. Wait, what? I don't know if I didn't save or something. I might have just thought I did more than I did actually, or I might have forgot to save or something. I'm just gonna real quick. I'm just gonna go add the stuff that I should. Okay, now that I have that fixed, I can go on with the tutorial. Now, if there's anything here, just know that I might accidentally repeat myself. Okay, but where's the music? Save, make sure to save. Okay. Much better. Now, to showcase what we did before. Let me just turn that down. Okay. So, obviously if this, press don't play, then, well, I don't play. And if I click on leave now, nothing happens. Then I can press the arrows to switch. So I click on the X, you can go back and destroy the leave now sign. And that is what we made. So, yeah, 20 minutes of video, and this game is not fun at all. Okay. But in this 20 minutes of video, hopefully we can get some things done. So first we're gonna need to grab, not a beach ball. Did not mean to click that. So we need to get like a button. Clickable button if it'll let me scroll. Thank you. We'll do it like this, maybe. Okay, let's put it there. And then make it go underneath. So, okay, go to back layer and then click it. Now it should be behind. And then we're just going to write. Well, you can, I'm going to do gray, but I'm going to write for bitmap text. It doesn't really matter what font you want. I'm not going to understand this. Oh, it just looks regular if I'm not. Oh, well. And then I'll do it white and just write play. And put it in the center. And there. Now, let me just real quick grab. Oh. Let me fix that. So when green flag clicked, show when I receive back, when I receive behind the scenes, and then we'll do when I receive back, show, when I receive behind the scenes, hide. Okay, and now, let's see, there's nothing here. Press the arrow, the button disappears, I can grab the X, go over, and break the sign, and now my button has appeared. And I can play. Yeah. No, I can't, because I can't press the play button. Jeez, my finger hurts. I shouldn't have spammed. Anyways, now, when this sprite clicked, broadcast, new message, play, and then hide, and then for literally everything, when I receive, play, hide. So for literally everything else, we aren't going to use any of these. Okay, and that's our first puzzle done. We used 6 entire pieces for no reason. Yay! Alright. Well, not for no reason. But now we're not going to use any of these. But yeah, like I said in part 1, this will be like a puzzle game. So that's the first puzzle. And then, what should the next one be? Oh, okay, I've got it. Okay. So this one will be a simple, like, what's it called? First we're gonna need to draw. It's gonna be one of those like memory games. So we're gonna make 6 different sprites. 4 different sprites with different colored squares. You'll see. Okay. So grab square, convert to bitmap. Grab the color red and fill it in. Nice square, put it in the center. And then duplicate it. And then grab the fill bucket and make it a slightly darker red. That way you can tell that it's being pressed. See? And then we'll just duplicate this sprite. Duplicate and duplicate and duplicate. And now, no. Stop it. And then these will all be different colors. So we'll just need to keep filling. So yellow is next. Fill that with yellow. This one with a darker yellow. Now I can see this one gets pressed. Oh no. If you look at the screen, you can just see all of those different colored squares. Now then with this one, we're gonna fill it with a nice bright green. And then slightly pressed green. There we go. And then finally, we're gonna do a light blue for this. And then here, we'll do a slightly darker. Well, not like that. Let me just get this color. But then just a slightly darker like that. And there. Now we have different colored squares that can all be pressed. Perfect. Now, first of all, we need to make them smaller. Like 50? Oh, no, that's too small. 75. And also for yours, obviously, you're going to need to change them by a different size. Because it'll be very, very, very hard for you to get your squares exactly the same size as mine. So you just change your size to whatever, you change the little size thing right there to whatever looks most like mine, like now. Yeah, this is perfect explanation. First of all, when the green flag is clicked, we're gonna need to make this one hide. Make that to all of the different colored squares. And geez, we're almost halfway done with part 2 already, and we haven't done much at all. Anyways, backdrop. We're just gonna make a new backdrop. Draw it, fill it with black. Oh, we gotta go to bitmap first at the bottom button. There we go. Now that that's done, let's see. Right. So this backdrop, we'll go to the backdrop page. When I receive play, we'll just switch the backdrop to this just flat. Well, flat. How did I get flat? But to this pitch black thing. Now we've got this. I'll just real quick beat this puzzle. Now we've got a bunch of blackness. And then when I receive play, show, give that to all of the squares. And then we'll just broadcast play and just press that button. Now all the squares have appeared. Now we can organize them better. Like that. Well, I should put it more in the middle. There we go. All the squares are organized. Okay. Now, the thing is, it's been a long time since I've done this. I've done something like this, but I think I know what to do. And I'll actually have to use the backdrop for this. Make a new variable for button rest. I'll edit to that, but switch button that should be pressed. We're also gonna have to make a list. Order to press. Okay, sorry. Geez, we're running out of time. When I receive play, set button pressed to pick random 1 to 4. Wait until button pressed equals 0. Let me add button press. Wait until button pressed equals 0. Yeah, but let's see how. Okay, so, well, broadcast, new message, check button. Okay, and we don't need this, just broadcast check button and wait. And then for these, so this one, so let's grab the square. When I receive check button, when I receive check button, when I receive check button, if, equals 1, if button press equals 1, then switch costume to costume 2, wait, 0.5 seconds, switch costume to costume 1. This should, there we go. Look at the screen. When I click on this code, it gets darker. I don't know if that's dark enough, but I'll wait later to see if it's recognizable. But recognizable? Is that even? 1, is that a word? And 2, is that how you use the word? Oh well. And then add add 1 to order to press. So now I do this, and now if we look at the list, we've got 2 ones. Okay, imagine having to memorize 16. I'll be very glad if it's all just green. Oh well. When I receive play, delete all of order to press. So that resets. Now we're gonna have to add this code to all the other buttons. Just change the numbers. So with this one will be number 2. So we change that. This one will be number 3. So we'll change that. And this one will be number 4. So let's just show the list and start, maybe move the list. Stop everything. I'll start playing. I'll go over, and I'll test the memory game. I press play. A button should be pressed, and something should be added to the list. Okay. What? Okay, I should add some code. So wait. Where's the wait blocks? Wait. 0.5 seconds. And I think I'm gonna have to start ending the video soon. I really wish I could do more than I ended up doing. But, I don't know. These like memory games are surprisingly hard to code. But, yeah. I guess I'm gonna be done now. So, bye.